which they put in by nails. Ooh, man.
Morning. So I've been keeping a secret. A lot of people know, but I've been keeping a secret. That secret is we're going to go dairy farming, and to do that we need to modify our current dairy. Now, you would have seen glimpses of it at times. It's been used for many of spaces, tool shed, chemical shed, pegs and bibs and bobs, just heaps of everything. Got Ben coming down with his big excavator, and we're going to clear some space. Last night and this morning I spent a fair bit of time. Well, actually, take a step back. Brody and I, over the weekend, we moved the yards. Remember the yards that were there? We've put them over yonder. One day when we've got some cattle in there, I'll show you how we've set that one up. I really like to have things planned out and laid out on a piece of paper and know what I'm gonna do. With that one over there, I just couldn't do it. So we just started laying down panels and it worked, which was good. So here, yeah, we've taken all that out, and we need to take this rail off and take a bit of tin off, and then you can just smash all that down and put it down over the cliff. So you're wondering, why dairy farming? I feel like I should have written out a whole big list of why. So let the interrogation begin. Why dairy farming? Why we are going to go dairy farming? We've been here for 7-8 years now, and we've done everything under the sun. We've done poppies, we've done potatoes, we've done pyrethrum, we've done oats, we've done barley, we've done wheat, done breeding, done fattening, done adjustment, just everything. We've done everything. For our area anyway. It's not like we can grow sugar cane or sweet potatoes or something like that, berries. A lot of other vegetables that we grow around down here, like onions, carrots, peas, beans, they don't really get offered to us. We're a little bit far away for the factories to be interested. Yeah, so this farm was a dairy farm at some stage, probably with my grandfather, and certainly my dad. He built this dairy behind us as part of his metalwork course. So he did a lot of the bar work around here, which you can see. He's done a great job, and I'm just going ahead and smashing it all to pieces, which I feel a little bit bad about, but we need something a bit bigger. So step back to, so Dad gave it up. I wouldn't say gave it up, he retired from it. He milked from probably age 14 to 2013, so till he was about 58, I think. Don't quote me on that, but I think about 58. So he had over 40 something years doing it. I'm pretty sure he never milked more than 70 cows, so it was hard for him to warrant putting someone on to help him out. So a lot of the time he had to do it himself. Mum did a lot of milking, and then I did a lot of milking, and had people growing up, can't remember all their names. I know James Ridgway, he helped early days. But yeah, so farm's going to be reincarnated a dairy farm. We're pretty excited. We've been working towards it for the last 3 years. We've spoken about it and tried to work out how we're going to enter into it. And yeah, it's been a slow process, but now it's all going to seem pretty quick when we start building and doing all this. So dairy farming for me, the lure of it is that it is consistent. It is not as variable as cropping. You roughly know what you're going to get. You can budget on it pretty well. Cropping is, for the last couple of years, it's been horrendous for me. Just can't get a run on things. Just to be average. My pie was absolutely terrible. I'll never grow that again. Potatoes 2 seasons ago were shocking, the worst we've ever grown, and we took a real big financial hit, and it's sort of taken us up until now to recover from that. And now we go ahead and do this massive infrastructure upgrade where we're going to spend a lot of money too. Thankfully the bank has come on board with us, so it was a lot of budgets and a lot of toing and froing to make sure the cash flow worked. So we're going into a lot of debt, but I'm feeling really comfortable about it. So part of it taking so long is that we have been rearing calves. Those calves over there, they're now outside, which is good. And we've got a mob over there-ish, which are 12-month-olds, no, 14-month-olds, and they are currently with the bull. And then cockers over there, Damien Brook, they've got 30 of our cows, and those cows are ones that have calved in August, and so we are going to take them back hopefully in March to milk in our own dairy. Right now it's November 1, and like there's nothing been done. Like, I've just removed everything that I could, and we got a lot of work ahead of us, a lot of work, which it's fine. So you can see a direction, see where we're going. What else? That's enough of me waffling on. I feel like I've explained myself well enough. Yeah, I'm excited for the future. I'm excited for what it's going to lead to. There's going to be a lot of work and a lot of worry, I know, but I feel like I'm up for the task. Anywho, we better, I don't know, demolish the rest of this shed and get started. Reality is that digger is probably almost bigger than that dairy. Oh, we need to get rid of that low ground too. Today is demolition day, quite literally. Yesterday we tried to, but realised that it took a while to take off the sheets of iron on top, which they put in by nails. Oh man, that would have been hard to do. So now we are pulling it down, we're going to move it across, and Look at that. Scary thing is, it probably took them a year to build it, and Ben and I were just talking about how it probably only took 15 minutes for Ben to absolutely destroy it. Alright mate, it's back on the deck. Wait. Well, that's all that's left.